As of March 2025, Indonesia has entered discussions with Italy about acquiring the retired aircraft carrier Giuseppe Garibaldi, marking a significant potential shift in the Southeast Asian nation's naval capabilities. The Italian vessel, which served the Italian Navy for nearly 4 decades, could be repurposed to house drones, specifically unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), in a move that aligns with Indonesia's growing defense ties with Turkey. The Giuseppe Garibaldi, a former anti-submarine warfare carrier, was commissioned in 1985 by the Italian Navy. Initially designed for helicopter operations, the vessel evolved over time to accommodate vertical and short takeoff and landing (STOVL) aircraft, including the AV-8B Harrier II fighter jets. Its service life spanned multiple global conflicts, and it was instrumental in operations such as NATO's mission during the Kosovo War and later, Libya's Operation Unified Protector. However, the ship was officially decommissioned in 2024, as Italy introduced a new amphibious flagship. For Indonesia, the Giuseppe Garibaldi presents an opportunity to enhance its naval capabilities under the Minimum Essential Force (MEF) strategy, which seeks to modernize its fleet and expand its military reach. This strategy also involves acquiring new ships from both Italy and Turkey, including multiple frigates and patrol boats. A critical aspect of this potential acquisition is Indonesia's agreement with the Turkish defense company Baykar. The deal involves the local production of 60 navalized TB3 drones and 9 Akinci UAVs for Indonesia's defense forces. If the Giuseppe Garibaldi deal proceeds, it would be retrofitted to serve as a drone carrier capable of launching these UAVs. The TB3 drones, known for their ability to operate from ski jump ramps, are designed for naval operations and are expected to play a central role in the Indonesian Navy's future operations. Beyond drones, Indonesia has established strong defense ties with Italy, already acquiring 2 multipurpose combat ships from the Italian Navy. These ships are set to bolster Indonesia's maritime capabilities and further demonstrate the ongoing collaboration between the two nations. Additionally, the Indonesian Navy plans to develop its amphibious capabilities, including the possible construction of domestically made helicopter carriers, with partnerships involving global shipbuilding giants such as Fincantieri and Hyundai Heavy Industries. Indonesia's decision-making on acquiring the Giuseppe Garibaldi is influenced by several factors, including financial assessments, strategic defense needs, and broader regional security concerns. These concerns are particularly pressing in the South China Sea, where Indonesia faces ongoing territorial disputes, including those over the Natuna Islands. As Indonesia looks to strengthen its defense posture, acquiring or upgrading naval assets such as the Giuseppe Garibaldi could be a key component of its long-term maritime strategy. However, experts caution that the operational challenges faced by similar naval assets, such as Thailand's HTMS Chukri Narrabet, which saw limited use due to financial constraints, might pose logistical hurdles for Indonesia as well. As such, the acquisition of an aircraft carrier may not be the most practical solution. Some analysts suggest that Indonesia could benefit more from increasing its fleet of multi-role ships or landing helicopter docks, LHDs, which could offer more versatile and cost-effective solutions for the nation's maritime security needs. The final decision on whether to acquire the Giuseppe Garibaldi will likely hinge on a combination of operational considerations, strategic priorities, and the available budget. Indonesia's naval modernization efforts are set to continue, with a keen focus on expanding its fleet to address both regional security threats and its broader defense ambitions.